Okay, quick survey. Does anyone see this driver's door on this F-150 either slam or crush the driver in the door? And notice his hand is still on the armrest there, the door handle. Okay, he's in the vehicle at this point. Right there, he's in the vehicle. And then he abruptly comes back out. All right, the door's still there, and you see where I'm standing. And it plays again and a little slower, I think, for the instant replay. So watch the door, how much it actually moves. And again, the officer's hand is on the door. Watch, there it goes. There's his hand. He's getting in the vehicle. And there. And see his blue line bracelet there. But yeah, and I'll play one more time. Just in the comments, yes or no, does the door crush or slam or pin the officer? And maybe you can't tell from the video, but just give me your thoughts. There's his hand on the door. Watch the door. Still see the sun. There's the sun. He's in the vehicle there. Now he's jumping back out real quick. And you can see where I'm standing. I'm actually facing towards the house at that point because I was already walking away. Just a yes or no if that door crushes or slams on the driver. I appreciate it. There'll be more videos to come. I'm just doing a preliminary. And then, let's see, my buddy was sitting up on the porch way over here behind the pillar and the flag. All right. Thank you.